Hello, good morning to everyone. Good morning. If today is your first time to see my video, make you like my video, share my video, and comment my video. So at the time I upload, you can see my video. You understand? So make I try to share my video. And I want to thank everyone where they subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. As they subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well. God will bless you now. So today's topic, I want to talk about sex education because many parents don't know what they call sex education. To educate your children is not only to say go school, go school, go school. Some parents they don't know what they call sex education. Sex education is very good for us to teach our children because you need to teach your children what is good and what is bad. It's very important to, if you get children for house, most if you get baby girl for house, teach her what is called sex education. Sex education not mean say it's for only adult, it's still for children. Because nowadays we dey new generation. This generation wey we dey, they open eye well. They not be small pikin, they get sense well. They are very intelligent. So not to say that pikin na small pikin not sabi pass you. Because pikin of nowadays, pikin of 3 years old can operate even a tablet, can operate anything. So that's why it's good make we teach our children what is called sex education. Very important for them to know what is it. Once your pikin don reach 10 years, you don dey see messages as a 10 years old girl, you go come and sit down. If na woman e be, then the mother go take care of the woman and the papa go take care of the boy. Most let me start from the woman. If you get a baby girl for house, you get a daughter for house and she don reach 10 years old, make friend to her. Let her be your best friend. Whether there be 5 girls or 4 girls, they friend with. They know they conk them for head. Because if they conk them for head, they go they fear you as a mother. They're not going to tell you what they won't tell you before. Or if they shout for them, they go they fear you as a mother. It's very bad for you. If a pikin won't meet you now, tell you see what you go down, say come out. It's not good. Teach your children what is called sex education. Sex education is very, very good. Once some nowadays what we do. Some girls at the age of 10 years, they don't begin to see their periods. Period and menses, you understand? So the moment when you don't start period, you need to let her know what is good and what is bad. It's very, very important. Now that's what Igbo they do. Because you get one that one they work with one Igbo woman. He said once it begin seeing her period when she was 11 years old. The moment you begin see the period in 11 years, you can't begin say, now you don't see your period though. If this one, if you man touch, if you carry pregnancy, so be careful. But if you know say you get boyfriend, tell me, I will show you medicine where you go to me, where you know if you pregnant. The begin can say, okay. You can't laugh with your mama, you can't say okay. So the man can teach him how you go to use the pad, what you go to do, what you go to use. She can't different to her mother because most of our African women don't agree to their children sex education. Because if the pikin won't come near, they go to push it, they go to cause the pikin. You know to cause your child. And because if you cause the pikin go dey very cute, so they go tell you what you want supposed to tell you. It go dey hide the secret for you. You no go tell you as a mother. You understand? So when you get a baby girl, draw near body, draw the pikin near body. Tell your pikin wetin good and wetin dey bad. Tell am say if you get boyfriend, you need to know. Because if you don't know, if you go carry belle, you no go know. If you dey do baba thing for school, you no go know. You go hide am for you well. You no go know wetin dey go on. You understand? So teach your child. Now make some children now they don't go outside. Most children now, government they connect to most children. If you go for all this children, where they keep children, 12 years, 13 years children, they don't go there. They there. Why? Because they run out of their mother because they won't begin get boyfriend. But if you get small pikin, go tell the girl say, no get boyfriend though, you get belle. You will teach the girl. If you tell the girl, you tell the girl, even tell the pikin get a friend, say get a boy. You go tell her say, look, I'm not do that. You go give them advice. You go give them advice, say no good though, how to prevent it. You go teach the child because if you don't teach the child, you don't go know. And the people they vex for you as a mother, you no go tell everything. But if you dey very close to those your children, the teacher say you no good to follow man and so you no good the people come get sense say my mama tell me that can say you no good. Because they say they go school, their brain they function well. Now there's all those small children, even 3 years old, they can operate phone, they can operate handsets. Don't say picking off it or they don't sabi anything. African parents, teach your child sex education. Nurse your child very well. Nurse or mostly once you're picking a baby girl, nurse are very well, very important. I beg. Be friend to your daughters, be friend to them. It's your responsibility to take care of your daughter when you born. That's not to born phone every every you go they born, You cannot take care of them very well. You don't go know what they want and what they not want. Try to know what they do, whether somebody they hurt them for outside, whether you get any man when they touch them, whether they're still a virgin. You have to know everything about your daughter. Because some children are girls, they go inside, they go offline, they use their phone, they watch me. You don't go nothing they do for your side. That's why it's good now. If your pikin come, make sure say you know your pikin very well. No, try to know your daughter. Because I remember when I traveled to UK, I see one baby, one girl. Every day they go close himself inside a room. You go notice. Your mom even notice they do inside the room. I even ask a mother, this your pikin, you know her so? He say, no. I say, you don't know your pikin. Because this your pikin can do bad things. You don't know her. Because pikin when they don't be 12, 13, 14, they don't spoil you. They here, they're food everywhere. They don't know what they come man. So African parents try to teach your sex education. Tell them what is good, what is bad. Not pursue them for your body. Because if they pursue, they don't like to teach you. They don't like to tell you what they on. They don't tell you anything when they happen to them. Therefore, the boys speaking to boys don't get problem. Try to draw near father. Try to draw yourself near body. Whether they get girlfriend, how they get there with them. You know they pursue them. I'm not gonna stop that behavior. You understand, parents? I beg. Teach your child sex education, very important for them to know. It's because that make now everywhere, both in Nigeria and Africa, everywhere. You go see small girls that they carry bene 12 years, because they don't carry bene because their parents don't teach them. Their parents don't teach them what they call sex education. Because their parents they pursue them. Come out, go there, go and play. Once a child is 10 years, as I tell you so, begin to monitor that your pikin. Monitor her very well. Try to know her very, very well. Draw near body. They watch her character. They watch her behavior, where they go. No, we be friends. Even in school. Go to the meeting school. Go there when they see dress as a mother. Go there school. Appear in the school. Even when my own children too, they go school. They go there school. I go dress to know who be their boyfriends. Who be their girlfriends, who do they move with, just to know them, to know how do they behave, how the children they grow. You understand? It's very good to know who your children they move with. Because don't talk say, my pikin they go to school, and my pikin they no go feel that, then they do pass you no go know. They get sense where. These children of computer, these they get sense where. Their head they scatter for this kind of thing, they know. So parents, try to educate your children very well. Educate them in this sex education, I beg. Don't abandon your children on the street. Don't abandon your children for government to take them away from you. Because you don't feel nurse them, you don't feel talk to them. And then they fail you as a mother. Father, to help your wife to educate your children. That's why you go make a husband and wife stay together to educate their children. So because I try to bond the one and go feel train. So I go feel nurse, even when I get 2 girls or I get 2 boys, so educate them. Try to educate your children, very important, I beg. Women, mother, is your responsibility to take care of your daughter or take care of your son. So the children will tell them what happen to them. Let me say, your pikin go dey hide secret for you. You no go tell you what they go on to around. You go dey fail to tell you, maybe na a girl, na if you get boyfriend, now he won't come meet you. He won't tell you, you go say, what is that? If you just you go squeeze your face. The pikin go come dey fear. But if you just dey friendly to your pikin, he go tell you everything. Like me, I dey very friendly to my children. Then they tell me everything, and they ask the question, they go tell me, who they go, they laugh, they go. You know me. Don't say they spoil like that. You understand? You go dey friend to them, you go know them well. You go know your children very well. Don't they pursue your children for body. Because speaking of 10 years now, don't they see period there? From 9, 10 years, they see their period. So that's why you need to control them, make them not carry pregnancy at that small age. So try to control your children very well, I beg. Women, I beg. And nowadays what we say, not be the center, they burn food everywhere. Even if it's one or whether or 2 girls, so you know what care about the man. If the man say one, but tell the man say you don't do okay. It's not compulsory you must produce 100 children to the world. No, it's a sin to bring many children to the world. You don't fit take care of them. Born you go fit take care of. So you go fit monitor that child Take care of the child very well. Abeg, whether na boy pikin or na girl pikin make una take care of them. Because e no good make your children phone everywhere. That's why na single mother phone everywhere, your children phone everywhere. Because mama no go fit talk to them. If you go for assistant teacher don pack all our children finish, dem phone everywhere for where they keep them because their mama no fit train them. So abeg, parents, try to take care of your child. Teach your child what is good and what is bad. Sex education is very good for our children. They sabi because then they give them handset. As they give them phone, then they watch your phone, they see what is inside. Don't say then they watch your phone, One day I go see one of my girlfriend who come dey talk about how woman dey born pikin. The girl say sabi everything. The girl na 12 years old, but he go tell you how women go take born pikin, which woman go take get pregnant. Everything about women, the girl know. 12 years, the mother was surprised. The mother was shocked that the girl go tell you, the girl dey tell me, which time you go fit born pikin, which time you go make you born pikin, how you go take do away because the mama teach her most time. So teach your child sex education. No push your pikin comot for your body. No abandon your children for your husband. In your life, don't abandon your pikin, whether you no get money to even eat them. Take care of your children very, very well, no matter how. Never you abandon your child with any bastard man. Whether you see food eat you no see food eat take care of your child very well. Pikin is very good. So don't abandon your children for your husband, whether the man they want you or the man they want you. Who cares? All you need to know is to take care of your children very well. Make sure that's why I say, born don't you go fit take care of whether na one or two. So as if tomorrow the man say no want to, you go tell the man make the man go. You go find your way. So now my topic reach for today, my people. So make una subscribe to this video. Make una comment down below. So I will come on Thursday too to talk about romantic love for this our lover day when they come up. So I beg parents, take care of your children very well. Advise them, whether it be boy or girl, and even parents too. Make una try to dey use pill. Make una avoid too much pregnancy. Pregnancy is bad. Unwanted children is very bad. But now you go fit take care of whether na one whether na girl say you no even get. But nowadays girl pikin na dey take care of papa pass. Not say I never born boy na go make me dey born. No. Any man wey tell you say because you not born boy or you not born girl, you want born, let the man go. Now they don't carry man for head you put man on your shoulder. When time reach, say you tire, you throw away the man for dustbin. You understand? So parents, I may take care of your children very well. Thank you so much. Make una subscribe, share my video, like my video, comment my video. So on Thursday, I will still come to talk about romantic. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.